Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can build a full e-commerce website using Google AI Studio. This is really simple. Let me show you all the process step by step. At first you have to come to the Google AI Studio. Go to the browser and type Google AI Studio and go with aistudio.google.com, and in the right top corner here you can see get started. So click here. Now here you can find start building and quick start. So from here we are going to click here start building. Now I'll select a model. So by clicking here you will find different model. So go with any of it. Let's just go with the default one and then select the framework which one you like most. Now remove it and here you just have to add a prompt. So to generate a prompt you can go for the Gemini or maybe you can go for the ChatGPT. In this case I'm going to go with the chatgpt.com and here I'm going to generate a prompt. For the prompt I'm going to mention all the necessary things. I'll say that I want to build a complete e-commerce Google AI Studio. Need a prompt for this. Now it will give me a prompt and I will go through the prompt. If I need to change anything I can mention here and then I can regenerate the prompt. Alright. Here you can see you are a senior full stack web developer. Create a complete production ready e-commerce website. Front end will be HTML5, CSS3, Tailwind CSS, then JavaScript, Vanilla or React optional, and then backend it's a Laravel latest version. So you got here everything. Here you can see. Now I'm okay with this. If you want to change anything you can mention here and regenerate this. I'm going to copy this and let's go back to the Google AI Studio and here we are going to paste it. Here we go. Now I can actually click here build and then it will actually go for build. So as you can see we got here nice website. Here you can see. And now if you want to change anything, let's say this logo name, okay, and let's say here section. If you want to change anything you just have to mention here, okay, and then it will actually apply all the changes. So that's it. Now if I full screen it, here I can see this is a nice professional site. All right, now this is also mobile friendly. Here you can see mobile friendly. Now if I go for the tablet, here I can see this is also responsive, right? All right, so that's it guys. Now let's say I want to actually download this. Okay, so now here we have code section. You can see now you can download the code. Okay, so we can click here download and then it will actually download as a zip. Now you can actually upload it in your cPanel if you have your own domain. On the other hand, you can actually publish it from here. If you go for the preview, then here you will find option called publish. So click here publish, then you can actually publish it. So that's it guys. This is how actually you can create a professional e-commerce site. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.